Hi, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to see about the opening available with InBank. You all may know or may unaware of InBank. It is nothing but a subsidiary of Indian Bank. They are into merchant banking services. Yes, InBank Merchant Banking Services. It's a subsidiary of Indian Bank with headquarters itself at Chennai. They mainly engage on stock broking, depository participants activities, distribution of mutual funds and other investments products. They are mainly into this, and now they call for four kind of jobs, that is head DP department, head account opening department, DP staff, branch head retail loan counselors, and then field staff retail loan counselors. These are the five they have been called for. There is no only direct interview. There is no need to pay off for fee regarding to this. Now let's see the compensation details. It is head department. It is 6 to 8.5 lakhs per annum. For account opening, it's 5 to 6 lakhs. For DP staff, it is 3 to 4 lakhs. Branch head, it is 5 to 6 lakhs. Field staff, it is 1.5 to 2 lakhs. But though the package may seems to be normal, you will be given attractive incentives as well. See, the performance linked incentives will also be paid depend upon the individual performance. Now let's see the educational qualification, experience and vacancies. For head of the DP department, it is graduation with NISM certificate. In our previous video, I have shared about the NISM, right? It is mandatory to deal with mutual funds and DP process. The minimum qualification is graduates with the NISM DP certificate. For head of account opening also the same. For DP also the same. For branch head, the graduation is enough. And for the field staff, the retail loan counselors, the graduation is enough. I request to concentrate on the last three items. That is DP staff, branch head retail counselors, and field staff retail counselors, because there the vacancy is high. Even the freshers and the 1 year experienced persons can make use of it. For a head, the experience is minimum 10 years in DP operation services to be handled both the NSDL and CDSL. For head of the account opening, it is minimum 7 years of experience in DP operations, opening demat accounts and trading. Right, the DP is nothing but demat trading accounts. That is, and also the transaction on the demat accounts. DP staff, it is 5 years of experience in DP operations. Everything is related to share trading and DP accounts, that is demat accounts. The branch head, minimum 15 years of experience in banking or NBFCs. See, the NBFCs is also given the equal preference. That is what I have been reiterated in my previous video. If you got an opportunity in NBFC also, don't miss it. Just go for it, and later you can get into banking. And for the field loan staff counselors, the minimum experience is 1 year in sales, retail loan products, home loan, vehicle loan, credit cards, etc. Age limitations is 50 for 50, 40, 35, and for branch head it is 65, and for the field loan staff it is 35 years. And the posting is, for the first three it is at Chennai, and for branch head and field staff it is Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Ahmedabad. Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Ahmedabad are the five locations the opening is available for. Job profile, head DP operations, I will share. Head demat, all DP related, what preferably checker level in both NSDL CDSL, that is the DP staff. Head field staff marketing bank products like home loan. The branch head profile is need to market home loan, credit card, other retail products. That is the job of the branch head. And the field loan counselor job profile is marketing bank products like home loan, credit card, retail products and merchant banking related products. This is your job role. Everything experience should be as per of 30th June 2021. If your graduation is enough, the mode of selection is based on interviews. There is no need of written examinations. You will be directly called for the interview. A screening committee will screen the application received. for the eligible candidates, and interview and selection will be finalized out by the committee. Okay, then how to apply for the post? It's very easy and simple. Please send your mail to recruitment@inbankonline.com. I tell again, recruitment@inbankonline.com. So please send your resume to this and wait for it. It's only an direct interview. You can get the job much easily, and of course it's a subsidiary of Indian Bank. So being what is also fine, you can learn the products much more easily, and later you, if you want to move on, the choice is yours. So I request you to concentrate on the last three things: DP staff, branched, and field staff. Please make use of it and share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.